As it becomes simpler to do our jobs because of technological advancements, individuals are shifting how and where they put in their work hours. This has led to an increase in the number of persons looking for and accepting work-from-home positions. If you're looking for a work-from-home job in 2022, this video is a must-watch. It features the top 10 work-from-home jobs that are expected to be in high demand next year. Number 1. Web designer and developer. Pay scale: $59,343 per year on average. Those who work in web development create and maintain websites. Despite the fact that many web developers are employed by advertising agencies or major corporations with several websites, independent employment for web developers is also possible due to the huge demand for their services. Due to the extensive training and expertise required to do quality work, web development is not an entry-level field. Although it isn't the highest-paying work-from-home option, it is among the options. Number 2. Graphics designer. The typical wage is $45,060 per year. Logos, bespoke pictures, landing sites, and more are all products of the graphic design industry. Graphic designers may accomplish their jobs successfully from home since they typically work alone and can complete their tasks quickly and efficiently with the help of design tools. While many businesses do hire graphic designers full-time for in-house projects, many more rely on freelance platforms like Upwork to get temporary help. Number 3. Customer service representative. Annualized compensation average is $38,604. Regular duties of a client service representative include fielding customer emails and phone calls. Agents in the customer service department may be asked to do a wide range of tasks, such as processing returns and assisting clients with technical issues. Many organizations let their customer care representatives operate remotely since all they really need is a phone line and some kind of customer relationship management (CRM) software. Some of the more technical customer service positions may have stringent entry-level requirements, but many of them provide paid training to those who are willing to put in the time to learn the ropes. Number 4. Virtual assistant. A typical wage is $40,974 per year. Meetings, contacts, and emails are just some of the many tasks that a virtual assistant may do. Virtual assistants, as the name indicates, assist clients virtually via the use of various scheduling and communication applications. Virtual assistants can provide one-on-one assistance to a busy executive or group administrative help for businesses without a brick-and-mortar presence. This is another option for those seeking flexible or permanent work from home. Number 5. Social media manager. Earnings on average round out at $50,661 each year. Managers of a company's social media accounts are responsible for interacting with consumers on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Social media managers aid in the development of marketing strategies and the expansion of brand awareness, allowing businesses to exert a greater level of influence. Reporting tools provide social media managers with data on how and when their followers are most engaged. Social media management is a crucial job function in most sectors of the economy since so much consumer decision-making nowadays is influenced by friends and followers' recommendations. Working from home with the help of online meeting tools is a viable option for social media managers despite the fact that they often need to collaborate with the rest of their marketing team. Number 6. Content writers. The typical wage is $45,377 per year. Writers in the content industry provide in-depth articles for specialized websites. While some content writers work for many firms under separate contracts, the majority are independent contractors. Since most content writers' time is spent researching and writing alone, they are generally given the option to work remotely. Working from home as a content writer is a great option for those who are highly motivated, self-motivated, and have a firm grasp of the written word and a certain industry. Number 7. Medical transcription. Salary data shows an average of $32,673 per year. As a time-saving measure, many doctors and other medical professionals nowadays choose to dictate their notes while they are on the job at clinic or hospital. All of these scribbles, however, must be committed to paper if we are to have reliable patient records. There is a need for medical transcription services. As the name implies, medical transcriptionists listen to dictations and transcribe them into written reports. Transcriptionists often need at least 40 words per minute typing speed and familiarity with medical language to do this. The nature of the work necessitates quiet and solitude, making a home office an ideal setting. Number 8. Bookkeeper. The typical wage is $42,940 per year. Having complete and precise financial records at the end of each year is a major reason why firms use bookkeepers. Payroll and AR/AP management are two more tasks that may fall within a bookkeeper's purview. A bookkeeper may be employed full-time by a single large company or by several smaller companies. Bookkeepers are not needed to have a CPA certification, although most employers prefer that they have at least an associate's degree in accounting or business administration.